Music is all about interactions, especially when it comes to mixing. It's all about how the tools and the elements from a track interacts with each other. Today I want to show you how two really opposite processing interacts with each other and how you can use them to create some really interesting push-pull type effects. I'm talking about how a transient designer can interact with a clipper. Let's jump into the session. I have a cool song from DQ that sounds like this.
While I'm here, it's all about faith. No, it's not my home, but it's where I stay. You wanna keep me here, but it's not my place.
The technique that I'm about to show you can be used with great success when it comes to drum processing, especially on the drum bus. It can be used when mastering, but let's start with the drums. On the drums I have a clipper. This is the Neutron 5 clipper, and I'm just shaving some of those picks. This processing is almost invisible since I'm using a hard clipper. You need to really focus to hear the effect of it. It's used just to control the peaks, just to gain some headroom. But if we add a transient shaper before the clipper, then we will have a pretty interesting interaction. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I have Articulate from Newfangled Audio. This is a transient shaper before the Neutron 5 clipper, and I want to push some transients into the clipper. Of course, we'll have more clipping, but listen to how punchy the kick and the snare gets. What I am achieving with this interaction by pushing more transients into a clipper, I get this nice, saturated, distorted in a way, transients. And this is a signature sound of the modern hip-hop trap sound. It's an interaction that I've been using a lot because it gives me that sparkle, it gives me that punch, and I really like the sound of it even when used in a subtle way. Let me show you how I use this technique when it comes to mastering or to bus processing. I have gold clip on the mix bus, clipping 2.5 dB.
You wanna keep me here, but it's not my place.
It's pretty subtle. I can make it even more gentle.
I've got to get away.
Shaving some of those peaks just to gain a bit of headroom. Even though I'm using a soft clipper and a soft clipper has a character. After the gold clip I have Neutron Transient Shaper. I'm using this plugin because it has multiband, and when mastering I want to be able to transient manipulate the signal in a multiband way. With the high band I want to catch just the really bright transients, hi-hat, sibilance, and I will exaggerate the effect just so you can hear the effect on YouTube.
You wanna keep me here, but it's not my place. I've got to get away.
The second band I want to catch the mid-range without the kick.
While I'm here, it's all about faith. No, it's not my home, but it's where I stay. You wanna keep me here, but it's not my place. I've got to get away. While I'm here, it's all about faith. No, it's not my home, but it's where I...
These are the settings that I would probably use in a mastering scenario, something really subtle, but you can hear that with a transient shaper, after I'm clipping, I can add back a bit of sparkle, a bit of shine on the track. I can enhance the dynamics, and this is basically playing around with the microdynamics of your track.
It's where I stay. You wanna keep me here, but it's not my place. I've got to get away. While I'm here.
This interaction between a clipper and a transient shaper is superb. You can use this on drums like I've showed you. You can use this on mastering. It's something that I really like doing, and it's a really powerful technique. Try it out on your own and let me know what you think. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.